The ketogenic diet, or keto diet, for short, is a very low-carb, high-fat diet that shares many similarities with the Atkins and low-carb diets. It involves drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and replacing it with fat. This reduction in carbs puts your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. Ketosis is a metabolic state in which your body uses fat for fuel instead of carbs. It occurs when you significantly reduce your consumption of carbohydrates, limiting your body's supply of glucose sugar, which is the main source of energy for the cells. Here are several versions of the ketogenic diet, including standard ketogenic diet (SKD). This is a very low-carb, moderate protein and high-fat diet. It typically contains 70% fat, 20% protein, and only 10% carbs. 9. Trusted source: Cyclical ketogenic diet, CKD. This diet involves periods of higher carb refeeds, such as 5 ketogenic days followed by 2 high-carb days. Targeted ketogenic diet, TKD. This diet allows you to add carbs around workouts. High-protein ketogenic diet. This is similar to a standard ketogenic diet, but includes more protein. The ratio is often 60% fat, 35% protein, and 5% carbs. Following a ketogenic diet is the most effective way to enter ketosis. Generally, this involves limiting carb consumption to around 20 to 50 grams per day, and filling up on fats, such as meat, fish, eggs, nuts, and healthy oils. It's also important to moderate your protein consumption. This is because protein can be converted into glucose if consumed in high amounts, which may slow your transition into ketosis. Practicing intermittent fasting could also help you enter ketosis faster. There are many different forms of intermittent fasting, but the most common method involves limiting food intake to around 8 hours per day, and fasting for the remaining 16 hours. Blood, urine, and breath tests are available, which can help determine whether you've entered ketosis by measuring the amount of ketones produced by your body. Certain symptoms may also indicate that you've entered ketosis, including increased thirst, dry mouth, frequent urination, and decreased hunger or appetite. A ketogenic diet can help you lose slightly more weight than a low-fat diet. This often happens with less hunger. Avoid carb-based foods like grains, sugars, legumes, rice, potatoes, candy, juice, and even most fruits. Base the majority of your diet on foods such as meat, fish, eggs, butter, nuts, healthy oils, avocados, and plenty of low-carb veggies. A sample keto meal plan for 1 week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.